Hi, I'm Benny for Recycling Me. I'm glad to meet you through this Recycling Me weekly scrap report. Today's July 24, 2020. I'm really happy to see some significant movement in the scrap metal in the scrap market in the last week. We can find a fresh price increase for steel scrap, especially in the past week. Turkey's mill and Asian mills have raised their buying price against a backdrop of Chinese stronger prices for iron ore and steel. Amid more downturn is anticipated in the ferrous scrap market due to supply overhang, only marginal demand, and depressed prices for finished steel products these days. Although global steel makers are operating only around 40 to 60% of their production capacity, steel producers from said countries, Turkey and Asian mills, have continued to book scrap at progressively higher price. So the market witnessed price recovery against iron ore prices boom on supply shortage in the past 1 week. Report says export of ferrous scrap, steel scrap, especially from Turkey to China, showed by 74.9% from January through May 2020 compared to the same period in 2019. Chinese steel import from India accounted for around 60% increase, importing around 440,000 tons of steel from India this year so far compared to the previous year. Okay, let me tell you what is iron ore. Iron ore is the major raw material used to make pig iron, and which is one of the major raw material to produce steel. To make steel. Interestingly, 98% of mined steel is used to make mined iron ore used to make steel. So the demand from China edges prices up further. Let me see about how the Chinese iron ore future demand. Chinese iron ore future expected to gain a fifth straight session on Thursday on the hope of stronger demand in the coming months, sending spot prices to an 11 months high. Stronger demand amid optimized over Chinese economic growth recovery continued to feed through the market. Moreover, in India also we can see some see the Indians also facing the iron ore shortage. However, in the pace of stimulating local production by the Indian government, Steel Ministry have taken the measures to avoid possible disruption in the supply of iron ore and to reduce the India's import reliance on selected countries for coking coal. Let me see some of the largest exporters and importers' current position with this price increase. First of all, let me say about India. Concerning India, activities were subdued over uncertainty in the market. Demand for finished steel is still weak. India's sponge iron and billet prices fell around rupees 100 to 200 per ton. Also the rebar prices fell by 100 to 500 rupees, 100 to 500 per ton in the last week. Only the ray of hope for India is demand uptick in the rural areas. Due to downturn in the domestic demand, mills are concentrating on exporting their product steel larger volume to countries like China, Vietnam, and Bangladesh. Let me say about Turkey. Turkey witnessed slow buying interest. Turkey steel producers have not been rushing to buy this deep sea scrap due to their low local demand as well as weak export market. However, on the back of stronger Chinese prices for iron ore and steel, Turkey producers continued to book scrap, deep sea scrap at at progressively higher price throughout this week. We can see $13 increase in Baltic Sea scrap cargoes purchase for Turkey and ended at $273 per ton CFR on this June 22, 2020. US cargo HMS 1 and 2 80:20 at $267 CFR per ton. Let me see about Vietnam. Recorded in Vietnam, an upturn is seen on month-on-month and yearly in this ferrous scrap import by 27% and 23%. Japan remained the leading scrap exporter to Vietnam with 56% of its total scrap import. Okay, let me see about USA. USA's East Coast market activity increased based on the new orders from Turkey. Ferrous scrap export up around 18% month-on-month in May 2020. Turkey is the largest buyer from USA concerning this steel scrap. And the prices also have increased. HMS 1 and 2 export prices from USA to Turkey have increased around $10 and ended at $268 CFR over the past week. We can see about UK. UK market moves towards tighter supply. Scrap generation in UK has not returned to the level that's seen before the lockdown measures due to the contain the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. Also, we can see that the scrap generated via these vehicles and white goods has been reduced in UK. As well as we can see a drop in the number of demolition projects also. And we can see the prices. UK HMS 1 and 2 price improves $5 to Indian port, and now the rates are hovering at around $255 per metric ton CFR to Indian port. If these iron ore prices maintain the same upward movement in the coming days, we can expect some more price corrections in the ferrous scrap market. I will update you on the same in the next week same time. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and stay updated through this Recycling Me Scrap report. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.